Hey everyone, guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial, guys. And in this video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to convert your Spaylater credit into Gcash, guys, in 2024. It's actually really easy and simple, and this method is great for accessing funds directly from your Spaylater account. So let's jump right in, guys. First things first, you want to actually ensure that your Spaylater account is active and your Gcash account is actually fully verified, okay? A verification is actually important to avoid any issues with fund transfers. And next, guys, what I want you to do is I want you to use, a trusted intermediary platform like a Shopee partner or basically a personal connection who can facilitate this conversion. Okay, so what you need to do is basically purchase a product using your SPay later credit, and this could be a digital product like an e-gift card or load available in Shopee's marketplace. And once the product is purchased, you want to actually sell it to your intermediary or someone you actually trust, who basically agrees to pay you the equivalent amount in Gcash. Okay, you can just this is how basically it's done. Okay, this is how it's actually done. It's kind of like a black market, you could say. So what you want to do is you want to provide them with your Gcash details, like your account number, and to receive the funds, and make sure you actually agree on the terms beforehand to avoid any misunderstanding. Right, you can check out the different blogs and Reddits. You'll find some good contacts. And finally, guys, what you want to do is you want to wait for the payment to actually reflect in your Gcash account, and there you have it, guys. Your SPay later credit has been successfully converted to Gcash. And guys, if you found this video helpful, guys, don't forget to like, make sure you comment if you have any trouble. I'll actually help you out in the comment below. As always, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel so I can see you guys